Hey everybody, Mike Crowley here from the Crowley Insurance Agency, and today I want to talk about what the difference between replacement cost and actual cash value is on a property insurance policy. Replacement cost is exactly what it sounds like. It's the cost to repair or replace your current structure in today's construction prices using materials of like kind of quality. This is not subject to depreciation, and the insurance company will pay up to the policy limits minus your deductible. Most homeowners and property policies are written on a replacement cost basis, especially if a mortgage company is involved. Replacement cost has nothing to do with the market value of the house, or how much it's worth, how much you bought it for, any of those things. It is solely on what it would cost to rebuild the total structure or replace the total structure today. Actual cash value, or other known as ACV, is replacement cost minus depreciation and deterioration. This is where it gets more into the market value or what it's worth, and different homeowners insurance carriers or property insurance carriers will allow actual cash value in certain circumstances. We tend to see it more on rental property or secondary buildings or outbuildings, not necessarily on a homeowner's policy. When you carry an actual cash value policy, you're going to get paid on an ACV limit, whether it is a total loss or it's a partial loss. And this is the biggest problem with carrying an actual cash value policy. And let me give you an example. You have a fire in your kitchen. It caused $30,000 worth of damage. Well, after you take away depreciation and deterioration in your deductible, how much of that $30,000 are you going to get towards replacing or repairing your kitchen? Well, it depends on the coverage limit you carry. It depends on a few other factors, but let's say for argument's sake, you're only going to get $15,000. So you're only going to have $15,000 now to repair that kitchen or replace that kitchen instead of the full $30,000 it's going to cost. This is going to go for any type of claim, and they're only going to pay a max of the coverage A dwelling limit, even on a total loss. Appreciate you listening to the difference between what a replacement cost and what actual cash value is. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and let us know. We'll be happy to help.